Hillary. I'm Sean Ilgen, and with me I have Chrissy Pohl and Jennifer O'Gary, and together we're your Hill Murray admissions team. We're excited to welcome you to our Pioneer community, and we're here to talk about the admissions process. We are now accepting applications for the following school year, and we do have openings in all classes. You can find all the information on our website. You're going to want to click on admissions and then apply. And midway down the page, you will see a box labeled resources. In that box is the application to apply, the transcript release form, which you'll want to give to your school and have them send over transcripts our way, and then the application for financial aid and for scholarships. We have 2 dates where you can apply to. The early admissions application deadline is November 1st, and the regular application is January 15th.
We are also doing in-person tours, so feel free to reach out to any of our admissions team, and we'd be happy to show you around and give you a tour of our school. And we are also looking forward to setting up our shadow days for later this fall, where your student would have a chance to come in and be a pioneer for the day.
And once you're enrolled, I work with new families from the time of enrollment until the first day of school. I am here to help families feel welcomed and get all the information they need to make the process of becoming a pioneer positive and pleasant. We are all looking forward to meeting you soon.